Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be going over AI marketing strategies, especially 4 key areas that you can implement in any style of business that can actually help automate your marketing strategy to help scale your business. Step 1, here's how AI can actually assist and change your marketing strategy. You've got your old tactics that you'd used previously, where you've got to manually have conversations with clients, or you've manually got to put in your own time and effort. But with AI and a lot of data being behind it, you can actually automate them processes, which makes it a lot more simpler to go through the process of acquiring clients or even having general conversations to nurture them leads. And with AI being implemented into your marketing strategy, it will actually help you predict trends, avoid any guesswork, and it will actually help you scale out your marketing strategy using personalization. And if you've not implemented any AI tactics into your business, well, we all know what happened between Blockbusters and Netflix. And if you don't know, well, you know where Blockbuster is right now, and you can see where Netflix is right now. So you'd always need to advance your marketing strategy to take it to the next level. Once I've finished breaking it all down for yourself, you'll actually be able to start implementing some of these tactics within your own business to improve your own marketing efforts. So let's start off with a nice simple AI strategy that you can implement relating to conversations. Let's say you have visitors coming onto your website or a landing page. You can always have a live chat, which is an AI bot essentially. However, you can personalize this bot. It can have a name, it can have an avatar. You can even, in fact, use your own image and have it represent yourself if you've trained it well. Once this AI is having conversations with your potential client, it will then be able to answer any generic questions that your clients will be asking. And the next benefits behind it, it's available 24/7. It can even guide customers to go through a purchasing process or even booking an appointment directly with yourself or someone in your sales team. That then will not only free up a lot more time within the business for yourself, but ultimately it streamlines the entire process. I'll put a list down below on some of the AI chatbots that you can actually train to implement within your own business websites. A second one is an AI trained agent to take calls. Now you can even personalize the voice on these. It can take a copy of customers' names, email, telephone numbers, even the best time to give them a call back. So if you're currently on a job or you're working on site or you're simply busy in a meeting, well, AI will then be able to simply take that message for that client, and then you'll actually be able to give that person a call back when you're available, or even arrange a call back from your calendar itself. And AI can essentially look at your diary and book in that call. So with the first 2 steps, we've covered how you can actually get your inquiry to an appointment or get a conversation completed with your inquiry. What about getting the inquiry in the first place, getting the traffic in the first place? So in order to do that, we'd need content within your AI strategy. And this is where you can have tools such as ChatGPT again to help generate and create that content. And number 3, for content creation, you can actually have AI create images, infographics, and even thumbnails and even carousel posts for your social media profiles. And that will then actually help yourself post more images and post more frequently straight to your social media profiles, keeping it very consistent. This will actually help yourself, again, free up more time. And lastly, you can even get AI to help with your marketing strategy by writing out blog posts. You can actually do some research prior to this, finding blog topics, tell AI to write about these blog topics for yourself. Now you've got to remember, all the information that AI is going to create, such as the content, you'd always want to review over it, make sure that there's no spelling mistakes, make sure it's got the correct facts in place, because all the content that AI will be pulling through will be from past data. It's nothing from the future. So that's the part you would need a human interaction involved, of somebody reviewing over that data and then posting it online. And the whole point of AI is not to replace marketers or replace employees or to replace team members. It's actually to help empower them and take your business to the next level. So if it's done correctly with AI, it can actually help you scale and speed up processes throughout your business. So there you have it. You have 4 tactics that you could use in your AI marketing strategy to help improve your own business and help it scale and even speed up the processes to getting more out there. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch last week's video, it's up here. And I'll see you on the next one.